to our first Friday assembly for Term 3. We hope you are all enjoying the new playground. Please remember that before school, students are unable to use the playground. They are not supervised. Remember, please be safe with our new equipment.
Please welcome the students of Room 12 who will now present their assembly item.
Katie, just stop your microphone.
Sorry, I thought it was on 6.
Good morning and good morning. I am Katie and welcome to R12 Assembly. Hello, I am just celebrated 100 days at school. We have been very busy learning and doing lots of new things. We would like to share some of them with you. Hello, I am India. Every morning we do the roll beat. Mrs. Orange needs to know who is here and who is away. The girls try and beat the boys, and the boys try and beat the girls. Who do you think is best?
And step your feet. Get ready for the roll beat. Katie Callahan is here. Georgia Darrow is away. She's having lovely holiday. Trixie Ika is here. India Henry is here. Is here. Is here. Cecilia Wang is here. Is here. Is here. Henry Clark is here. Is here. Is here. Is here. Is here. Like is here. Is here. Everywhere is here. Is here. Such what's called is here. Clap down hands. Step down feet. Done with 12 roll beat.
Hi, I'm called Trixie Takuingwa. We have learned to introduce ourselves in Te Reo.
Hello.
from Ole Tapuaroa. We also have learnt our colours in Te Reo. Right now, there.
No, stop. You've got to sing a song. Just wait.
Is white, there is red, macaroni green. Mango is black, mango is two, R12 blue. Butterfly yellow, rose brown, sweet corn onion blue. It's Mrs. Orange, R12 blue.
Hello, my love there. We also love to do that here. And then about numbers. Here is one of our favourite pastimes.
1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 2 is 4. 1 and 3 is 6. 4 and 4 is 8. 5 and 5 is 10.
Ni hao, I am Cecilia. We also like to read books and write stories. But the best thing about school is making new friends. Thank you for coming to our assembly.